You are God from beginning to the end. There's no need for argument. You are God all by yourself. So how to play You Are God from beginning to end as an absolute beginner, level 2. So in level 1, what I did was play the melody on the right hand. So I did something like this. So something like that was what I did, right? Now, level 2, you are not playing melody on the right hand, you are playing chords, right? Now, these are simple chords. Now, this is how you do it. You adore, right? Or you use this do here. You adore from beginning. That doesn't sound well. Let's use this. You are God from beginning to the end. So, do, mi, fa. Then, fa, do, la. So, there's no need for arguments. That's it. Fa, do, la. Re, so, do. Or you do re, so, do. You are God from beginning to the end. There's no need for argument. You are God all by yourself. So all I did was use fa and so as passing chord before I ended it with do. So fa. Yeah, most times before new songs are started, you can use your fa, so to intro it and don't start with your do. You understand? Like if we're going to sing the song another time, we can say, you are God all by yourself. You are God from beginning to, there's no need. So basically that's that. That's how to play it as a beginner. Now all those things I'm doing by doing all those arpeggios, pay no attention to it. I will explain it in further levels of this song. As you can see in the description below, there is the intermediate level, there's the advanced level, and all. So I'll explain what I'm doing. Don't worry yourself. Just hit your chords in block form and don't bother doing all those things, right? Yeah, please subscribe. Please subscribe. It will do you great gain to subscribe, and I would really be glad if you do. So, see you in later videos.